Kung naghahanap ka ng bahay pero ayaw mo na maghintay ng 2 to 3 years sa pre-selling, ito na yung opportunity na pwede mo makuha agad. This is a bank foreclosed property at ang pinakamaganda, no bidding basta walang kasabay. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka makikipag-agawan kung ikaw ang mauna, sa'yo na agad ang unit. Located at Kensington 2, General Trias. Here are the details. Inner lot, lot area 50 square meter, floor area 58.50 square meter, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 car garage. Perfect ito for families na gusto ng ready home na may extra bathroom. Hindi ka na mag-a-adjust. Selling price, 2,252,000. Now, usap tayo sa pinaka-importante, computation. 20% down payment, 450,400. Loanable amount, 80% bank financing, 1,801,600. Estimated monthly amortization around 13,500 to 15,000 per month. Depende sa bank interest at loan term. Required income around 38,000 to 45,000 combined monthly income. Pwede mag-combine income para mas mataas approval chance. Take note, as is where is. Bank fees at transfer of title hindi pa included. At dahil foreclosed property ito, hindi ito tumatagal sa market, lalo na sa ganitong presyo at location. Tandaan mo, isang unit lang ito. First come, first serve. Kapag may nauna sa'yo, wala na agad. Pero good news, free house tour assistance available. Pwede kitang samahan para makita mo ang actual property bago ka mag-decide. So kung gusto mo ng affordable house na pwede mo nang lipatan agad, message ka na ngayon bago pa ito ma-reserve ng iba. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!